Yes, welcome to Fun Food Factory. Yes, this is fun, this is food, this is factory. Today we will be putting some sweet potato with roast yam. Oh, let me grab this piece of yam. I only have one piece. You see that yellow within the yellow yam? Oh boy, I am excited. This is my new Burger King and my KFC. I go those places no more. I love old food, sweet potato. Yeah, sweet potato. So today is my detox day. I'm just roasting these, but from morning all I'm drinking is just alkaline water. And as I said, alkaline water before is what? The rainwater that is being settled in a drum pan or tank with a lot of debris settling in it, like moss, probably leaf is broken down in it. But this water is what? Organic. And what makes things organic? Decay things and water that natural life grows in, like probably moss or moss, you know. Yeah man, but look at this, my people. Wow, this one probably ready. Oh yes, this one is ready to be scraped. Yes, these are ready. Put these aside. I want to eat these. Woo, this is ready also. Oh yes, this is ready. Oh, this is ready also. I have a lot of ready ones here. Oh boy. Yes. Yes, my people. Roast yam. You know that the yam is harder to penetrate, so we have to put it in the bare fire. The straight fire, the mesh, unless I'm gonna drop the mesh down. But no pretending. I'm out here. I'm doing my kale transplant this morning because you know this is Fun Food Factory. Yes, so these are my kales I'm transplanting. Wow, look at these. I will be self-sufficient, you know, providing my own vegetables. You know, it's what now? The autumn. We're in the season of autumn. I think they make the season. They go away with the season. But my kale, baby kale, and those are my pop choy. Wow. And these are what? Woo, you know what? I don't have to tell you. These are from the Chem family. Yes, these are my marijuana that I use for medicinal purpose. I use them to add to my wine. That's my cashew wine and also my noonie wine. We will reach there one day. That's how I get high, from my noonie wine. We don't get high from alcohol. Alcohol lower your vibration, you know, take away your spirit, eat your spirit. Oh boy, I love these scales so much. Let me see if I can kiss it. Oh, yeah. I'm excited. I am. So I'm heading back to my roast potato in nature. Woo! Yes. These gonna take a bite. All right. These gonna take a bite. Yes, my beautiful emeralds. This part of my garden is it needs help at the moment, but I'm heading there. But today I'm going over for my single Bible. They call it aloe vera. Wow, look at that. They are very fat. Wow. Straight organic. Not because I say they're fat, that does not mean I had anything to them. They're growing there natural. You can see here. Yeah, my garden won't help. It wants to be de-weed. Yeah, but I'm gonna remove one of these. Because today is my Single Bible challenge. Yeah, aloe vera. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Single Bible challenge. Wow, it's pretty out here. Yeah, this is very, very bitter. I'm gonna peel it and I'm gonna eat it. Yes, pretty. Yeah, so these are the ready ones. Wow. Oh boy. It is getting ready right here. Oh, this one is still hard. This one's still some more fire. I bet I gotta use the raw fire. Because I'm wondering why are these not done already. Woo! Yeah. Alright. Alright. Yes. So, yes, roast potato. I'm gonna scrape these. Alright, so now for my Single Bible challenge. My Single Bible challenge. Whoa. Alright. Yes. Greetings, beautiful souls. I thought that it was on camera, and it was not on camera, so I gotta eat piece more Single Bible for you people. Yeah, I gotta eat two more because today is my detox day. Today I am detoxing, right? Nice. I am detoxing today. This is aloe vera. In Jamaica, they call it Single Bible. It's a very bitter herb. It's a, what should I say, a soft stem herb. But trust me, it can get real bitter around here. So, I peel the Single Bible. This is at least 3 inches. Yes. And I'm gonna swallow this. Don't watch my face. I am gonna swallow this. I haven't eaten from morning. All I had is water, and I'm gonna add water right until 1 p.m. So my detox come with a little bit of making the stomach hungry, because when the stomach is hungry, it exercise pulling things in the bloodstream faster. So when I'm eating this, now it's gonna pull to my bloodstream and give me that detox cleanse as fast as possible that I'm looking for or working for. So here goes. Yes. So if you look in the book of Psalms, you realize there is a Psalms that say, wash my soul with hyssop. Research the word hyssop. You will see that it's a bitter herb. It literally cleanses your soul, because what aloe vera do, it wash the scum from your chest that is built up from the baked stuff you eat or the sweet stuff. My grandmother would say that it helps with bilious. Bilious is when you I think when you're eating things and it's coming up, or when you, what's bilious again? When you drop asleep very easy, when your blood is full of sweet. Yeah, a lot of sugar from these cakes and baked things you eat. Also, what this does is it cleanses the blood, replenishes the blood. Also, it adds, it replenish the hydrochloric acid of your stomach, making things better to digest, hence increasing your metabolic rate. So yes, you will start eating more. As I said before, I have had no food from morning. From today, from this grand rise, no mourning around here. We don't mourn. Yeah, so yeah, that's it for Cinco Bible. And this is Fun Food Factory. This is not really fun, but what is bitter to the mouth is sweet to the belly. What is bitter to the mouth, sweet to the belly. Yes, Food Fun Factory. And me go back to my potato scraping my potato and eating my potato because I saw me food time. Yes, big up. That's another video. Yeah man, thank you. Food Fun Factory. Bitter, not fun, but fun for your body. Yes, my people. Food Fun Factory. So now I'm gonna scrape my potatoes. Let me set this phone properly, as you can see when I'm scraping my potatoes. Normally I would scrape these and let me see here. Alright, so because me eat the skin of the potato, you see, me can't bother for none waste. So me have to make sure say me scrape it good. And a little sulfur is not bad for the body, because you know that sulfur is a neutralizing agent. So why roast things is better for eat than fry things is simple because this have 0 cholesterol when you do it the way here. So no added fat to your heart, your lungs, your kidney. Because you have some people think they're not fat enough, true, they slim on the outside. But when I usually shoot bird, there's a bird by the name of John Chewit. When you shot him, he maga fine. Yes, when you cut him inside, pure yellow fat. So yeah man, so I create them so till them brown looking. So these are now ready to eat, you understand? So I create it as much as possible. Create it as much as possible. So I can make sure say when I eat. So I wonder who I go eat them with this morning though. And then we can eat it with some tomatoes, cooking, coconut water with scallion, onion, and a little piece of thyme, a little pink Emilian salt. Woo! Wonder if I can do that. I'm not finished transplanting my kale plants over there. Oh boy, I'm doing so much things here. But this one is ready also. Yeah. So you don't know, you know, my people. Crepe, we are crepe them, you know. Right now, I can't bother for the crepe this and not eat none still, you know. Feel like I want PC eat here, man. Can't bother. My belly I run, and my mouth I run loco feet. Trust me, people. Boy, and you're so nice. Yeah, man. Come on, Food Fun Factory. Control yourself. I crepe if you crepe something them. I not eating time yet. Sure. You look like you're going to my fall. I seen them before. You make this all thing. Sure, man. You got those long, so. You cannot even wait. I know my fault. Me addicted to good food. Sure. I want the furious rate. Sir, I just eat peace and I feel like I want to eat peace more. You remember that whole time advertisement? Boys, grown a God, they go buy 2 buns for me. Mommy, you know, so me eat one little piece, until it done. Come here, you rat idiot. You never have me bun. This one is not good at all. No, this is not edible. You. Yeah, so you have to go and scrape, you know. You don't know. Yeah, man, and me, man, on the food train again, man. Food fun factory, you see me? Yes, I. More while in a youth. Simple is more, you know. But sometimes we have to do them little thing, yeah. We don't realize that them thing, yeah, are true essence of life, you see me? Yeah, man, we take them thing for granted, man, for gross piece of potato and sit down and eat in a piece of harmony. And somehow we all we want to go do a grabby bag. And we are left out the main thing in my life, you see me? Which is peace, harmony. And just sharing a little food sometime. You know, loving, you know, relationship. You know, this is how they don't want us to live. My beautiful people. The foodie them, my original foodie them. You want them when they pot. They cook then and you meanwhile they cook. And when the pot done then have nothing to share out. Yeah man, I weed that man. Oh boy, me I tell you something. Alright. Yes people. So I never show no when my crepe there, yeah, but tell her you show the crepe and me I tell you sir, all you want is somebody to eat. You don't want a season, you don't want a salt. Remember one time, you know, me usually work at one export company. So me do some roast yam and fried scallion, but me had like a salt to it. So, now you 20 days there, me no eat escallion. So I'm going in a pot and you rub it yam in a little light and tasty. You hear him? How you do it, youth? I first somebody ever cook scallion and it's so nice. What really happening, you know? Somehow we don't know when it get tough. We don't know about life that is really hard. So guess what? We don't know what we appreciate. We don't know say them here are the best thing ever happened to we in our life. This is why when I'm eating food, I am so happy. You know the way there? Yeah. Big up on yourself, you know. Food Fun Factory.